tomorrow I get the beef. Shout out to Banks Fresh Farms. My business partner, Mr. Banks, Mr. S.O.C.E. himself, blessing me. Because it's all about perspective, right? And it's not how you get news, it's how you respond to it. Responses. So now, I'm on some, you're going to get whatever moan you get, and you're going to enjoy that shit. Because I'm a rare being. I know my worth, and you will never find another moan in this lifetime. I promise you. So while I'm here, take advantage. Learn. Educate yourself. Be interested about it all of it. Not just the packaging you want, because it makes sense to you, because it all makes sense once you get to love me and know me and understand and be like, dang, that is one extraordinary being. I truly believe I am. Seriously. Alright, I guess we could put that there, we could put this here. And let's season. But you want to know the amazing thing? I know everybody's extraordinary. And that's why I never box nobody in. To a role, to an identity, to an idea, to a concept. No, we all are multi-layered, multifaceted beings that should be treated as such. You know what I mean? And my boy Baby D, he does music, but he's way more than a musician. He's way more than a rapper. That man's business mind and the concepts he comes up with and the things he thinks of are so extraordinary. It's just like, man, alright. Shit, let me give you your flowers. So you just thought of something that probably never would have been thought of before and the world needs. Amazing. Think you came from single cell organisms to grow into these beings, to do amazing things. The awe of life, man. If you're not awed by it, I don't know what to tell you. Like, right. We added some seasoning. We're going to hit them with the tomates and let that juice from the tomatoes render down. With the seasoning. Everything in there, showing love. Alright, so let's assemble this, put it in the lunchbox, so I can get out of here and get you guys your visuals. First, the rice. Yeah, a little palau on the bottom. I like that. I like that. Right. Hit it on the base. I can eat a rice bowl every day, different type of bowls. I'm gonna come in with the salmon gravy on top. My mom said she'd be worried if I didn't know how to cook. She's like, but at least you know how to feed yourself. I'm like, yes, I do. That I can do very well. Indeed. Let's get some gravy. I don't want to drown it. I just want a nice juice. That you know it's real. You feel me? Boom. Tomorrow I get the beef. Shout out to Banks Fresh Farms. My business partner, Mr. Banks, Mr. S.O.C.E. himself. Blessing me with some beef to review. So I can let all of you know how good that beef is at Banks Fresh Farms. And they have a few, I didn't even know they had a few pounds of ground beef left. And was it short rib? It was something else. And I'm like, what? Because their thing is they only have like the seasonal supply. Not a million cows. You know, this isn't a factory. But when they do have their meat, it is so tasty. It's organic. It's grass-fed. You know it's been grown under the most humane conditions possible. It's black-owned. It's all the things. All the things that you want your produce or your beef or your poultry or anything else to be. You can get that at Banks Fresh Farms, man. And the seasoning, I created the seasoning blend. It's trustworthy. Made in small batches, made to order for bulk and wholesale. And yeah, I can't wait to get this beef and get some oxtail and get some ground beef and get some short rib. And I'm ready to make some good old magic with that. I cannot wait. So that's the reason why I'm finishing up with the rest of the salmon that I bought the other day. You get what I'm saying? We're gonna finish with that. And then I can go ahead get that beef done. And then we gotta prep for next week. Look at that, a whole week gone already. I still have enough rice to keep going without having to stop and cook a pot of it. I'm actually going to take some out the freezer right now to thaw out. Just in case for the next round. We're going to put our okra in. Get the salmon and rice. I'm going to come back and do a deep clean later. Like I said, I'm trying to get out of here so I can go and fund the future. I'm funding the future now. I got my shot downstairs today right now. Actually, it's time for another beat. And then our rice. Let's take out two. You know. Whoa. Might have froze the zipper. Okay. 1, 2. Look at that. I got rice for this week. Boy, yeah. Okay. But I can't sleep through the night. That song's in my head. Alright. We're gonna check on our pickle. Pickle right under there. You see how pretty that is? They are pretty, they're delicious, they're probiotic, they work for everything. You can't have nothing like a better thing. Like you just can't. Alright, I'm gonna get my green juice from downstairs, pack of juice. I'm out of here. Cool beans.